we have new assets. It's called Simply Medieval. It's created mainly by Wolfgang. He supported me from the beginning, and he's a really great artist and makes some medieval work, so we can manage it to use it in Simply Cloth, and you can get it as an asset. The main cool thing is we have the same assets. What you see here, it's more than 70. You can use them as textured as well. So the all work is done. You just need to drag and drop into the scene, rotate. For example, this hat, we go somewhere here, go somewhere here. And this is just an example. He used different objects, different characters, but it's really working well. So we have this hat. Perhaps I don't fit it correctly, so it should be like this. I don't know. Yeah. Then what we have else? We can have capes. We have pants. So let's try, for example, this one. I drag and drop. And you see it's not perfect. And that's the point of what we have. So user uses different kind of assets. It's not every time this fitting completely. So we can try anyway. We select our character and we hit fit to target. And we see here it's not hit, nothing. So we just select this part, turn on the proportional editing with connected only, and hit G and grab it a little bit, or not the connected only. We have separated parts here. So make something like this. And we can fit it to the body. So depending on how much offset we have, we can manage it to work very fast, just with proportional editing. Sometimes it's too much, sometimes too less, but in general, you can achieve very fast, cool overlapping system. So we see already here, it works, but we have too much here going on. So you use smaller radius size, okay? It really depends. And that's it. And the rest, this is doing. Otherwise, you just can apply it. And let's have a look. What have we else? We have belts. I am selected 2 of them. And we can add them here too. So we can set the pivot point, set origin, sorry. And all the other parts you can adjust by yourself. So what we have here, shirt. I want something simple one like this, so let's do it. Here we see directly it's a big issue here. We have an A pose object, but our character is T pose. Don't worry, just go into Skype mode, select in Symbolical Studio the where it was the twist, I think it was, I don't know. You can make a little bit of this adjustments, and of course if you don't like it, you can go in edit mode. It really depends on yourself, what you like and prefer more. So you can adjust it like that very fast, and later you can move to your needs how you want. So it really depends, okay? Make it a little bit of happen like this. It's not perfect, but you can make it perfect very fast. So you don't need to model it. You will save so much time. And the same here, we just fit it to the target. Play with the offset a little bit. There you see. And we already added it to our object. If you don't like this part, just go a little bit down. The shoulders too, it's too much. Turn them a little bit down, and that's it. Here the same, you can move it inside if you like, of course. Otherwise, just move it and fake it to your needs. Okay? It really depends on what you need. Then we can check, and we created very fast some medieval guy, and we can work with the textures, adjust them, whatever. The textures are included too. So this is a cool new asset we have here, and you can add more parts to it. It really depends on what you need. So if you select this part, just go move it to your needs, adjust it very fast, and you're done. I just make it very fast, but you get the idea. And it is so cool to work with it and just have fun.